G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm back off to KFC because I've got a brand new secret menu item which I want to try today. Now if you already know how to order it, maybe skip ahead 35 minutes in this video because that's about how long it takes for you to order this thing. So if you don't know, keep watching and let's order the new secret menu item together. Alright, well for starters get your app up and you'll want to go to the menu down there. Now it's popping up on its own. Right, start again. So you want to go to the menu and then it'll come up with this page and then you drag it down. Don't let go though, keep holding it and hold it. If you can go and mow the lawn while you're holding it, well, I'd go and do that because it could take that long before it comes up. You might need to go to the hairdresser. Oh, here it comes! Alrighty, so you can see it's coming up now. And then it says shh. And then you hit the unlock. And wait a few more seconds. And there we have it. And today I'm going to be getting the Poppin Twister. $8.95 it costs. So let's order that bad boy. Add it to the cart. Make sure you got the right place too, the right address that you're going to pick it up from. Otherwise, you're screwed. Someone else will be eating your meal, which might not be that bad a thing. Anyway, let's order this and I'll whip inside, grab one and let's suss it out. Alright, here we go, the new Poppin Twister on the secret menu. $8.95 this cost. And, well, it doesn't look very big. It doesn't seem to weigh a lot, but we won't know how much it does weigh until I chuck it on the scales. Oakley dokley. Alright, you're looking at around the 230 odd gram mark for this, which was slightly heavier than the banh mi I had just the other day. Anyway, let's open it up and see what the ingredients are on this. Alright. Okay. Well, it doesn't look much from there. Let's crack it open. Oh! Oh, wow! Oh, gee! Check out that mess! Now, the Poppin Twister is supposed to be packed with popcorn chicken, bacon, cheese, mayo and barbecue sauce. Well, you can definitely see the popcorn chicken there. You can see the bacon. It actually looks cooked. And there's some cheese. There's the mayo and barbecue sauce. Huh. Well, it looks like it's all there. Now, let's see if I can wrap it back up as professionally as the KFC employees did. I might need a job at KFC at some stage, so it'll be good practice. Right. Now, I think I failed the interview. Oh, and by the way, this is about the, well, it depends who wrapped it. I wrapped it, it's about 20 centimetres. I think it was more around the 18 centimetre mark when I first got it. But let's bite in and see how good this bad boy tastes. Huh. 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 Well, one thing is for sure, and that this tortilla roll really can stick to the roof of your mouth. It can be quite an effort trying to get it off. But once you get it off, man, I've got some great flavours in there. I got this real crunchiness from somewhere. I'm not sure if it was the bacon, not sure if it was the popcorn chicken. But whatever it was awesome. And the flavour of the barbecue sauce and the mayo mixing together with it all. Oh, mate. And the cheese, let's not forget about that. Just added this really nice creaminess to it. Boy, that first bite was good. I'm looking forward to the second. Oh yeah. Man, I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, I'm liking it. Man, I don't know what it is about this thing, but it tastes awesome. So I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $8.95 for this. It was around the 230 odd gram mark, and well, it seemed to have enough ingredients in there. That bacon, well, it looked like a couple of pieces, and boy, was it crispy and crunchy. As well as those popcorn chickens, they really added a really nice crunch. And the cheese, boy, did it add a nice creaminess, as well as that mayonnaise. And the barbecue sauce flavour really just added the piece of resistance right on top. It tasted really great. I'm trying to fault it. Maybe just the price or something. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Poppin Twister from the secret menu item, mate. Honestly, this is so enjoyable, I've got to give it up. Man, it's so good. I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. If anything, it was maybe a little bit expensive, but, well, I mean, it's not going to fill you up or anything. But the flavours of it, oh, they were so good. It was creamy, crunchy, bacony, chickeny, popcorn chickeny with some KFC flavoury. It had everything. And it was really enjoyable, and it is definitely one that I would come back again for. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and, well, watch these crows tear apart this box of KFC for their cannibalism rituals. Thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far in the video, why don't you show some thumbing love, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. See you then. Ooh, yeah.